Good morning, buongiorno amici. Sono adesso qui nel giardino di Vittorio Veneto. I am back again to the garden of Vittorio Veneto. The fountain behind me, La Fontana, the major fountain in the garden of Vittorio Veneto. Voglio dire che il giardino è un luogo dove si sta tranquillo, si riposa da caldo, da qualche difficoltà di città, inquinamento, a casa se non è confortabile. Gardening is a place where you have your relax. If home is so overcrowded that you cannot stay at home, you come to garden to take a rest. Garden is not a place where you take alcohol. It's not a place to drug. It's a place to have beautiful air, socializing, if at all, meet with friends, bring your children to have good time on Sundays, on your free time. A place to relax, not a place to drink, and not a place to mess up. So my advice to my fellow Africans, you plant trees in your home. Plant trees in your home. What makes garden is trees and flowers and vegetables. Don't play with vegetables. I know in my own place, my hometown, there are no trees like that because there is deforestation going on. But the little that they have, people go and sit down under the trees because it's too sunny and hot. But they don't like planting trees. Why don't they like to plant trees? They believe when you plant the trees, you will die before the trees. Of course you will die before trees. Because trees last years. They don't last 80 years like human being does. Maximum a human being can last is 100 years. Tree lasts much more than that. So they should know that, of course, you cannot live like a tree. Let me show you this.